Let's now move on and shift our focus to another important update that we are getting for you at this point in time. India's women cricket team, the women in blue who've made the country proud, are all set to meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Those are the first set of visuals that we are getting for you at this point in time. Team India leaving, to reach Prime Minister's residence, where they will be meeting, in fact, Prime Minister Narendra Modi. We have my colleague Karishma joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Karishma, take us through the visuals that we are getting for our viewers right now. The team is all set to meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi this evening.
The team has just left from the hotel. I was right here. The players have gotten ready. They are all set to meet the Prime Minister, and this is going to be a very, very important meeting, a very crucial meeting, because the players are looking forward to it. They are very, very excited to meet the Prime Minister as well, and some of them may have gifts as well for the PM. But Shefali Verma, in our interview said that winning the World Cup is our gift to the Prime Minister. So there are going to be a lot of conversations as well. The women's team are doing, what no other women team has done before, winning an ICC trophy, winning the World Cup. So this is going to be a special moment that they will be celebrating with the Prime Minister. And in about 10 minutes from now is when they're expected to reach the Prime Minister's residence. And what we are told is that the conversations with the Prime Minister will begin somewhere around 6 p.m.
And this felicitation, Karishma, is similar to what I believe we saw in July 2024. When Rohit Sharma's team, in fact, lifted the T20 World Cup at that point in time. And that was then followed by a grand victory parade in Mumbai. So after this meeting with the Prime Minister, are we likely to see any kind of victory parade for Harmanpreet and company? Is there something that the BCCI has planned?
Well, not as of now. No victory parade or roadshow, so to say, has been planned, because a lot of untoward incidents have also happened in the past year. So obviously BCCI is concerned about that as well. So they want to take their time before they have any massive celebrations planned as far as the women's team is concerned. But today they are meeting the Prime Minister. Tomorrow they're likely to meet the President as well, and then they will have a bit of a break because they play cricket then again in February 2026. So as far as a victory parade or a roadshow is concerned, that hasn't been planned yet. And if there is going to be any celebration, it could be done, in a closed environment, in a stadium without any roadshow. But nothing of that sort has been planned as of yet. Only official meetings with the Prime Minister, with the President for now.
Karishma, as a journalist, you've been on top of this particular story. You've been getting us all the interviews first for the network. So, you must have spoken to them after they arrived in the national capital. What is it that they will like to say to the Prime Minister? What kind of conversations can we really expect at around 6 o'clock when they meet him?
Well, one thing is for sure that they want to talk about women cricket. They want to talk about women empowerment and how the momentum that they have now got into and women's sport in general, they want it to increase. They want more influx to come into women's sports. They want women to be given more prominence. And under PM Narendra Modi, we have seen his emphasis on Nari Shakti. And with this World Cup win, when we talk about the sporting world, the narrative of women cricketers is going to change, has already started changing as well. So this is going to be a very, very prominent conversation between the Prime Minister and the women cricketers, because they want to talk about this aspect with the Prime Minister. But other than that, they just want to share this moment with the PM, because they know how he celebrates every sports person, not just cricketers, but Olympians, players who participate on the name of the country, even if they do not win a medal. So this is going to be a very, very warm meeting where are going to describe to the PM how they felt when they won the World Cup, how they felt being amongst their own crowd, winning a World Cup at home. So it is going to be a very, very, heartwarming meeting with the Prime Minister, I believe.
Well, absolutely. We are all looking forward to that one, because as many have said already, what 1983 World Cup really was for men in blue, what these women have done in 2025 is going to be the same for millions of girls across the country, how it's going to be truly inspirational. So it's going to be very interesting to see what happens this evening. Thank you for the moment, Karishma, for joining us.